JCID no pop-up battery. Install without battery pop-up message. Fresh experience. Internal barcode design for easy installation. Free transplanting. Free soldering. JCID no pop-up battery. Operation video. Mobile phone. No pop-up battery. Original BMS of the original or non-original device. Bracket. Isolation tape. Buckle the BMS of the original or non-original device with the nitrogen monoxide pop-up battery. We demonstrate with iPhone 13, and the installation process for other models is quite the same. When installing the BMS, press against the shrapnel to prevent it from squeezing the battery cells. Place the BMS in the middle and buckle it into the corresponding position. Fold the flex cable and align it with the side of the battery. Then fasten the BMS to the battery. Attach the bracket to fix the original flex cable. Next, stick on the isolation tape. Then, fix the flex cable with the isolation tape. If there is the original BMS repair battery held through flashing, connect the battery to the corresponding socket of the battery adapter of V1S. It shows inactive. Click Activate. Select iOS version between 17.4 below and 17.4 or later. After activating the battery flex cable successfully, modify the battery health and cycle times. After the data is modified successfully, install the battery in mobile phone. Connect it to computer with a data cable. Click Repair Bat Health. Then repair the battery health. The firmware needs to be downloaded from a third-party platform. During the flashing process, it reminds to exit the current mode manually and enter the recovery mode. Exit the current mode manually. Operation steps. Click Volume Plus, then click Volume, and then long press the power button until the screen lights off. Waiting for flashing. Flashing. After flashing, boot up the phone to check. Battery data has been modified successfully. If there is no original BMS repair battery held through running diagnostics, since 11 series doesn't support to run diagnostics, the battery health can only be fixed through flashing. Without original BMS, after modifying battery health and cycle times, install it in mobile phone and power on. Open Settings, General, About, Parts, Service History. There is a diagnose window for battery, then running diagnostics according to the steps. Continue. Continue after connecting Wi-Fi. Agree. After running diagnostics, the battery becomes a genuine part. Click Continue. Then restart the phone. Battery data is modified successfully.